Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lini.
It's Mama.
Oh, it's Mama's birthday, isn't it? Kiss Mama daw yun kay Mama's birthday. I love you.
I do, Mom.
Guys, it is 17th of November. Birthday na ni Mama niyo. Kami lang dalawa ni Baby Celine kasi si Ate Paris ay nasa school. Daddy Mike is working today. And actually, kung hindi to inorganize ng friend ko na si Rose, ay walang mangyayaring, ano ba nangyari sa aking hair? Walang mangyayaring brunch today. So, it's currently 10:30 in the morning. 10 yung usapan, pero sobrang hirap ng parking dito. So, maglalakad pa kami. Kakapark lang namin dyan.
Asa, Mom?
Yes. And we still have to walk like the end of that road para makarating sa cafe. So, tapos ito siya ay nag-arsa-arsa pa, guys. My God. Hirap naman, nak. Do you think you can walk balang lang?
Yeah.
Yeah? You will walk?
No.
No. So, the other day, Rose messaged me, sabi niya, have you got anything planned for my birthday nga? Sabi ko wala kasi I'm too lazy to organize something. It's just me, guys. Ewan ko lang. Basta pag birthday ko, parang okay lang ako na kalma lang. Nasa bahay lang. Don't have to do anything. But she's so sweet. You know what? Like, Rose is the sweetest, guys. Pagkilala ko siya sa inyo, pagdating natin doon. She organized it with another friend sa playgroup. But firstly, pakita muna natin sa inyo yung pa-outfit ni mami niyo today. Naligo ako kaninang umaga kasi sabi ko, okay, kukulutin ko ang aking buhok. And then, I ran out of time. Hindi na nakapagulot sa mami niyo. Hindi ko pa na-dry, guys. Kaya tingnan niyo, pinulupot ko na lang ng ganyan kasi wala na akong time sa aking hair. So, ito ang ating pa-outfit. Hindi mo makita. Oy, kasi baby sila nagpa-arsa. Sleepy na rin kasi ito siya, no? Are you sleepy lang? Because nap time na ng batang ito eh. Can you sit here for a bit? So, ito ang aking pa-outfit. Ayan. So, nakapag sandals. Tapos yung aking maxi skirt. Tapos, pinarisan ko ng top na to. My backpack. Ay, sus ka palang mga sa mama. Come to mama. Okay. I'm scared.
No. That's Daddy.
Oh, Daddy. So, Daddy Mike pala, ang kanyang computer ay hindi nag-work kaninang umaga. So, kinailangan din namin siyang i-drop sa ferry station. So, ayan.
What?
Late ang lola nyo. Nagsabi na ako kay Rose na mag-order na lang kayo. Kasi, sobrang pahirapan talaga ng paghanap ng parking dito, guys, sa Brisbane. Liit na yung space nila for parking.
Nice.
Yes. So, I'm super excited, guys, kasi yun na nga, hindi ko ginagawa itong mga ganito. Kung hindi talaga nag-organize si Rose, wala. Sa bahay lang kami ni Baby Celine. Lang, no? Kasi Daddy's working man. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, he's got a surprise for me tomorrow. So, obviously, hindi ko alam kasi surprise. So, bukas na namin masicelebrate yung birthday with the whole family. Nak mo. So, now, we'll go see Tita Rose and maybe Tita V will be there as well. And Saria, yung friend namin na Cambodian sa swimming ni Ate Paris.
5 minutes later.
Finally, this is gorgeous Rose. Nakarating din kami dito. So yeah, this is Rose, my beautiful friend, and Victoria! My beautiful person, this is beautiful Chloe. Hi! Sorry, late kami. Oh, yes. And this is Aline. What do you say? Oh, thank you for this. You don't have to charge. Oh, wow, you're so sweet, Chloe. Thank you. Look, may pa-chocolate si Mayora. Oh, you want open? Ay, may gusto naman kumain ng chocolate. Salam.
Is it really for mommy or is it for you?
Yeah. No, it's really. Is it Claudia, right? Bigyan na ng chocolate ulit. Hindi na umiyak. Heart! Beautiful! Oh, we have another one. Ah, lucky girl. It's a lucky purple rain. Look! Before each burn, trim wick to 5 millimeters. Oh my god, how did you know?
What do I need to know? That you
I
like
love
it?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my favorite. Alam niyo yan, guys. Alam nila lahat. So every time nag-vlog ako, bibili ako ng mga ano.
So how can they hear us? Like they can build in. Because it's a bit loud here.
Yeah. Maybe there's ano, but they can hear.
Beautiful.
I always mention you to see Rose and how nice you are.
There's a gift in the car. Medyo malaki. So
Yeah, yes, guys, ha, Tagalog to siya. So don't worry, hindi tayo mag-nosebleed. This one we have to speak English. We have to speak English.
show that Victor is riding on the
Yeah. Look, there's no late as well. Huh? I'm not the only one that's late. They're also late because there's like writing the ano.
This is good. You've got the white.
Yeah, I know. You guys, she got it right. My color for today.
This is so funny. Thank you
so much. Hello, I wanna cry.
Because Rose said like, oh, which flower do you will like it?
Thank you. Sit. Well, welcome for another seat. Yeah. Yes.
That's from Mukuladi.
This is amazing.
Let me do it.
Oh,
Do you like it?
I love it. Oh, you're so good. So gorgeous.
You sure you like it? Oh, I didn't
Can I see Celine? Show me your balloon. And you? Show me your balloon too, hon.
Oh, it's my first time. That's why. Ignorant lang. Very gorgeous. Beautiful. Look, it matched my honor for today. Yeah. It seems like you knew this is what I'm wearing today. She's in the spirit. This is amazing.
Oh, shit. Can I fix it?
We just got here to Syria. There's no parking. I was like, what? So don't worry about it. I feel so loved. Oh my god. I'm so blessed, isn't it?
Oh, I love the colors. You've done well. That's gorgeous. I love the whole.
And I love this photo. The whole thing, the only thing I know with this. I can make this part. This one. Well, everybody can make that. No, thank you, Audrey.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile first. Smile.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you did so.
Oh, this is amazing.
Oh, this way. Yeah, that's
Oh,
right.
yes, that way. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's gorgeous.
This is amazing. Can you take the two of us together?
You want to stand up?
Okay.
Yeah. The whole outfit.
So beautiful.
Green and even the background. You know what to do.
Yeah.
You push it down.
Yeah, so we can see your face.
On the side. Oh, beautiful. You guys are models.
She knows what to do. The pictures so I can post it online. Yeah, with me.
How many hours?
Oh, do you mind taking it from my phone as well? Yes. Sorry. You're so good. You're so talented. Oh my god.
Okay, one. Oh, your phone is better than mine. Okay, one, two, three. Sorry, what? 1, 2, 3. 어머머, okay. 1, Celine. 1, 2, 3. Maybe closer. 1. And I always feel like because I'm making the flower too, like
There's no rush. How long does it stay for? How long does it stay?
for 1 or if we don't touch it, 1-2 days will be stay still, but it will be wrinkling.
The machine like this? Like the machine?
Machine, yeah. I put the machine like
Do you think she'll blow? It's like forever to finish. Manual. Oh, this is so good.
oh, I'm so happy you like it and a good matching.
You became
It's okay, Thursday, Mom.
Now you come to this on the table. You can just put it here. I don't think anyone is fussy. Come put it on the floor. They're here. So you don't have to worry.
I see my friends, so okay, I can't stay longer. Sorry, I have to go there. Yeah, 11:20.
Enjoy. Wait, then shall we try? Before you go. Maybe a shell. Yes.
She needs to go. She really just dropped off. I can't stay longer because I have to drop my friends
Oh my god, I really appreciate it, Audrey. Seriously. Oh,
We take a
Winnie! Cheese!
can you show the food? Yes. Here's our food for today. It's my birthday brunch.
I'm not
Yes,
good.
honey, would you like this one? Oh, myself too. The scrambled egg with chili sauce. It's just amazing. With toast. And it's with the cheese, you know, the cream cheese.
Ah, there's more. There's more birthday gift. Love. I'm so lucky today. That's very nice.
Thank you.
Oh, yes.
I hope you like it.
Thank you
course
for
I like
picking the best gift.
Yeah, I know. Awesome. Okay, bye-bye. Serious going. How am I gonna do this?
We're gonna drop you off.
Oh, Tenny.
What would you like, sweetie?
Tenny.
Tenny?
Tenny.
Okay, keep going.
Tenny.
Ngayon lang nakapag-vlog ulit, guys.
Tenny.
What is it you want?
Tenny. Tenny.
Ate Paris is here na. Na-pick up na namin from school. And nandito lang kami sa harapan ng
Tenny.
Childcare ni Baby Celine. Kasi if you remember from my previous vlogs, na may issue sa enrollment sa app nila. Kaya hindi ko ma-enroll itong batang ito. So, instead of doing it online, sabi nila, just come in and yeah, we will do it like here. Sabihan ko na lang sila ng mga details and they can just input the details for us. Yeah. Kaya andito Ate Paris. Hi sa here, Tibe. Haven't said hi yet. Uy, Longkoy. Let's say happy birthday to Mama.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
No. Thank you, my love. She woke up this morning eh. Kaagad ginlit niya ako. Sabi niya, happy birthday, Mama. Kakauwi lang namin from the childcare, guys. And ayun, na-enroll na ang ating baby Celine. And what's good news is, sobrang saya ko kasi 'di ba, nasabi ko sa inyo before, yung available lang nila is Friday and Monday. So sabi ko, when I go back to work, gusto kong 3 days. So nagtanong ako sa kanila, kaya sabi ko, pag nagkaroon ng isa pang day na available, let us know straight away kasi gusto naming gawing 3 araw. And then parang they did something na they move around kids, you know. Tapos sabi nila, oh, we'll have Tuesday available. So it means Friday, Monday, Tuesday, yung childcare ni Baby Celine. At yan yung araw na mag-work si Mami. So sabi ko, that's a great birthday gift for me kasi I really wanted 3 days. So that's good. So it's getting real na, guys, kasi binigyan na nila si Celine ng hat and shirt. Ayan. So mag-start na talaga si Baby Celine. My goodness, baby girl. You gonna go see friends? Go school?
No.
No.
I want that.
Look, may have ice na here now. Ice.
No ice. No ice.
Give to Ate. Give to Ate. So kaninang umaga pala, guys. Sobrang aga. Hindi na ako napag-vlog, diba? Si Daddy Mike ay umalis. And umuwi siya dito. Ayan. May pabulaklak si Mayor para sa birthday girl. It looks very nice. It smells so good too, actually. Ayan. So ngayon, it's 4:17 ng hapon. Sabi ko, uwi muna tayo kasi maglinis-linis tayo sa bahay before namin pick upin si Daddy Mike because we will pick up Daddy Mike sa ferry station mamaya. Mga 5. So we still have time na maglinis dito sa bahay. Kasi nagkalandakas na po, guys. As always. Nak, no? Sobrang, talaga yun, guys. Sobrang happy ko talaga na na-enroll na ang ating baby Celine at the same time na dagdagan ng isang araw yung kanyang test.
My mom's birthday today. I think she was a but she's lower. But we are gonna walk to my dad. I mean, we're gonna do right. But he wants to say hi and then to my mom. And happy birthday to her. It's her birthday today. Really excited. Thank you, babies.
It's now 6:12. And pipick upin na natin ang ating Daddy Mike, guys. Nasa ferry station na daw siya sa Bulimba.
It's Mommy's birthday.
They already know, anak. This morning.
Right?
So, hindi namin alam kung saan kami kakain, but we are going to eat out. Kasi
The way?
Friday naman. Yun yung kasanayan. Yes, my love?
The way?
The way? The way? What's that I can smell? Did someone did a dung-dung? No? Madilim na. Alam niyo ba, sobrang hangin sa labas. I think uulan siya. Ay, shush, 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 shush. Ano? Vlog. I can see you. Time check. It's now 6:40 ng gabi. Daddy Mike is here. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Tingnan niyo kung saan kami pupunta. Ah, Makita ba? Hindi makita. Kusina. Hindi makita, guys. Nandito malapit na Filipino restaurant. Malapit. Ala, busy man ay. Malapit sa bahay namin. Eh, dito kami magdi-dinner. Basta. Tingin-tingin na guys ng menu. Hindi tayo maka-upload, hindi tayo maka-vlog dito kasi may music. But I love the music, so hello. Suba is here. Oh, maybe the kids. Celine can have this.
Yeah, why go yeah? What is that?
Naubusan sila ng Filipino spaghetti guys. So yan na lang yung mga namin spaghetti. Dahil may pork sinigang.